जैसे मर्जी मैं सताई बना दूँ। All right, everyone. Welcome to another live stream, Trade with Tayyib. So, while I started the stream, I think we've been on for about 10-15 minutes. I just wanted to make sure that we have identified some of the zones and where the price should be heading, where I'll be looking forward to take a trade. Now, given I did mention that there is sells and buys above and below these areas, I do want to take a look and see how the structure forms here, because right now we were coming down on gold, but I wanted to make sure that if we can possibly create some sort of structure here and then see how we're moving within the structure. This range here is not untradeable. We can also trade within this range. I just want to I just don't see anything right now. So given if we form some sort of structure, you see we have, wicks. Wicks are these little sticks. Price at one point was over here. So when price was over here, it could seem like, oh, we're forming some sort of support. But no, we didn't. We came down. We came all the way down to 36.43. So what I'm trying to say is that the price action doesn't allow you to take a trade right now. So that's it's a bit difficult to take a trade right now. Also, 7:30 is almost here. We have 10 minutes till 7:30. We're gonna have a little bit more volume. There is no volume right now. GJ, again, we have support. So okay, now we've formed some sort of resistance here. What we can do is we can see if price is gonna break above or below this area. So similar to gold, let me see if I can just copy this across. Perfect. So we can have a sell, but let's take a look at it on the left hand side. Yeah, we can have a sell below on a 30-minute time frame and anticipate for price to continue to move down, because we have range on the left hand side. We have price to continue. We have range. We have candlesticks moving, almost to as a clean candle on the left hand side. So it's easier for price to maneuver if we have a sell. Right now, let's take a look at buys here. If we break above 233.32 332 area, so we're on this area, right? If we break above this area, then we have about 6 pip range. Yeah, it's not even enough to go up from, but let's see, what's the stop loss? Stop loss is also about 6 pip. So since we have sort of formed a lower wick, I think, oh, gold is moving down. Let's take a look here. So I'm gonna have to wait for this candle to close, because the stop loss here is gonna be a bit too high at 32 pip stop loss. Once this candle closes bearish and the next candle continues to push down, then we should be able to trade in this 50 pip range. In the meantime, I think this is a good entry for GJ as the price is breaking above. I do think it's a good entry, so to take buys. Trader. Let's see, something like this. So as it re-breaks above this high, we should go in a buy. I think that would be a good opportunity to take a buy and anticipate the price to continue to push up here first and then further on. Buzz above 203.49. See, we have a wick on the left hand side, and there is a higher probability for us to have a reaction here, right? Why is the C trader not opening? This is retarded. So as this candle is re-breaking the high, I think we should be able to continue to push up. Oh, see, we have a lot of volume. lag. Somebody said there's a lag. Let's see. Let's see. There is a delay, I think. Might not be a lag, but there's definitely a delay. I need to push up. Let's delete this. See, we have a lot of volume. Let me add the camera one more time and see if it. I think the camera was lagged. Oh, okay. So we've broken above. I think we should continue to push up here on GJ. Lag. Somebody said there's a lag. Let's see. Stop loss will be previous wicks low.